In a world where ideas shape the future, Alliance University brings you the Innovation Kit, designed exclusively for B.Tech students. This isn't just a box. It's a gateway to creating, experimenting, and building without limits. With step-by-step guides, plug-and-play modules, and hands-on learning, every student can turn concepts into prototypes, and prototypes into powerful solutions. Alliance University believes in empowering creators, problem solvers, and the engineers of tomorrow. The future is waiting, and your next big project starts now with the Alliance University Innovation Kit. The box contains motors, sensors, wires, and more that help students bring their innovative ideas to life. We welcome you to innovate and create with Alliance University.